Hello everyone, today we'll unbox the Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus with the 32GB of internal storage. And this is the package of the phone, and we will try to show you some info about it, and we will do a comparison in the future on it. So you guys can see this is the infinity display with the dual camera and fingerprint. Now this is the phone with the dual camera. Let's boot up the phone. And this is the package of the phone. We'll see what we got. As you all guys can see, just like the A7 2018, we'll get a case on it and a SIM ejector tool with a regular charging, not fast charging, and a micro USB and a regular headphone. So guys, this is all in the package. This is just a quick review. Any comparison, any speed test you want in the future, just tell me in the comment section below and I will do it with this phone. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. These phones I'm buying by myself with my own money. Please appreciate that and like the video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see a new video in the future. As you all guys can see, this is the Porsche LTE 1.4 GHz quad core processor, 6-inch HD plus with a 30 megapixel and 5 megapixel dual camera, 8 megapixel front camera, 32 gigabyte of internal storage with 3 gigabyte of RAM. So you guys can see this is the actual phone. Let's see the phone. The first to show some lags. This one is not really quick, but just a budget phone with $175 as I live in Iraq. As you all guys can see, this is the Facebook on the phone. Let's see how it takes to open the Facebook. I think it takes a little bit because it's a budget phone, as you all guys can see. Takes a little bit time, maybe because of the internet in our country is very bad. Let's see, showing some lags. Let's open another game, which is gonna be Alex Jump. Let's see, allow on everything. Okay, let's see that. Okay, don't want that. And let's see how to run this game. Okay, Samsung, we understand that. Please stop doing this. Let's see. Guys, this is not a really good phone for speed. You saw some lags on it, but for the camera and for the price with the dual SIM and a micro USB are the same. It's a good phone, and I will try to do some speed tests with other phones, with other budget phones as soon as possible. Please guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. This will be a huge support for me, and I will do more videos on the phones. If you like it, just please tell me in the comment section below any phone, any comparison, any speed test you want with the phones. I will do it for you. Just tell me in the comment section below and I will be there to answer you guys. Please again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This will be a huge support for me, and thanks for watching. Peace out.